How to delete Netflix account. So if you want to delete your Netflix account, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser, or you can also go with the application. So I'll be choosing browser. You just need to simply go with netflix.com, go with www.netflix.com, or you can simply go with Netflix delete. Once you've searched with that, now here you will have help.netflix.com. Tap on deletion, removal, or retention of information, and tap on account deletion, and tap on deleting your Netflix account, and again tap on deletion, removal. Or you can also go and cancel your plan. You can go with netflix.com/cancel plan, and then you can cancel your plan. But let's first sign into our account. Go with sign in and make sure to sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, then it will have your profile name on the upper right. Tap on your profile and then go with account. Once you're under account, now here on the bottom you will have delete account option. Tap on delete account, and that's it. That's how you can delete your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.